Hi there. So when you are using Ninja Forms, you might having the record field text broken issue on your form. There is a couple of ways to resolve this issue. Let's explore how you can fix this in new way. So this text is coming from the form settings, advanced display settings, and under the advanced, go back on the last option, the text coming from there. So if you would like to fix, you can just copy this text and paste here. But the streak will be in black text, or the text you would like to use, or your theme is using. So you see it's using the black text and the issue has been solved. But you don't want to have this fix. You might want to have the star mark in red color. So how you can fix this? So another thing is you can completely remove this text. So to remove, you can just add a blank space and then click to done, publish. And if you reload, you will see that the required text will be gone. No issue is here. But we would like to have a fix. So our text will be showing correctly and will not displaying broken HTML. So to do this, I have a guest. You can visit git.github.com/FaisalAhmed, and if you search for the Ninja Form fix, you will find this option. This is a PHP code, and to use this, you must have a child theme, or you can try code snippet plugin for this. So we are using code snippet plugin. To know how to use code snippet plugin, watch my another video tutorial from my channel, which will help you. So there has two methods you can use. So let's try one by one. So let's try first one, or you can try the first one. I prefer the last one. This is the best one I have found. So you can just copy this code and go for the snippet. Whenever you will active the plugin, you will have this option, add new, and from there you can paste the code and add your title. Ensure the code is run only on the front end. We don't want to run this code on the back end. Click to save changes and active, and then come back on the front end and give a reload. So you'll see it has been fixed. Also this one. And if you are using a caching plugin, ensure to clear the cache from your browser and the server side or the plugin side. You can also check from the incognito window, so you can confirm it's working perfectly. So this is how you can fix the issue. I hope that helps. If you need further help or looking for another solution, you can just comment below. I will try my best to help you. Thank you so much.